Hey everyone, if you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and hassle-free chainsaw, you've come to the right place. Today, we're ranking the top 5 corded electric chainsaws based on power, features, and overall performance. Whether you're cutting firewood, pruning trees, or tackling a serious backyard project, I've got the perfect pick for you. Let's dive in, starting with number 5. At number 5, we have the SWJ, a lightweight and compact electric chainsaw that's perfect for light-duty cutting. If you just need something for trimming branches or cutting up small logs, this is by far the easiest to handle on our list. At just 7.7 pounds, it's a breeze to maneuver even for beginners. Now let's be real, this isn't the chainsaw you want if you're dealing with thick, heavy-duty wood. The 9-amp motor gets the job done for small tasks, but it lacks the power needed for anything serious. However, what it lacks in brute strength it makes up for in convenience. The low kickback bar makes it a safer choice, and for quick yard cleanups you won't find anything more user-friendly. That being said, some users have reported that the chain dulls quickly, and there have been a few complaints about oil leakage during storage. So if you go with this one, make sure you keep an eye on that and check your chain sharpness regularly. So who should buy this? If you're looking for a budget-friendly chainsaw for light yard work, this is perfect. But if you need more power, keep watching because the next one on the list might be a better fit. Coming in at number 4, the Craftsman is a step up from the SWJ in terms of power and versatility. It packs a 12-amp motor and a 16-inch bar, giving it enough cutting strength to handle moderate tasks like felling small trees and slicing through thicker branches. One thing I really like about this model is the automatic oiling system, which keeps the chain running smoothly without you having to constantly check it. It also has tool-free chain tensioning, which means making adjustments is quick and easy, something that's especially useful if you're cutting for long periods. However, this chainsaw does have its downsides. Just like the SWJ, some users have reported oil leakage, and the chain tends to require frequent adjustments. Plus, while it has more power than the SWJ, it still falls short compared to the next 3 on our list. So should you buy this one? If you want something a bit stronger than the SWJ, but don't need the heavy-duty cutting power of our top picks, this could be a great option for you. But if you need even more muscle, stick around because things are about to get interesting. At number 3, we've got the Greenworks, a solid mid-range electric chainsaw that balances power, ease of use, and affordability. The 14.5 amp motor delivers more power than the previous models, making it a great option for those who need something stronger but still user-friendly. What I really like about this chainsaw is its 18-inch bar, which allows you to cut through larger logs and trees with ease. The toolless chain tensioning is another huge plus, making it super simple to keep the chain at the right tightness while working. The automatic oiler also ensures the chain stays lubricated, reducing wear and tear. Now let's talk about the downsides. Unlike some of the top-tier models, this chainsaw does not have a built-in kickback chain brake, which is a safety feature you'd expect at this power level. Additionally, the cord lock opening is a bit restrictive, meaning you may need a specific type of extension cord for it to work properly. Overall, this is a great pick for homeowners who need something stronger than an entry-level chainsaw but don't necessarily require a high-end professional model. But if you're looking for the best of the best, our top 2 picks are even better. Coming in at number 2, we have the Black+Decker. And let me tell you, this chainsaw is a beast when it comes to raw power and cutting efficiency. It's equipped with a 15-amp motor, which means it can easily handle bigger logs and trees compared to the Greenworks model we just covered. One of the biggest advantages of this chainsaw is the low kickback Oregon bar and chain, which helps reduce the chances of dangerous kickback accidents. If safety is a big concern for you, this is a feature you'll definitely appreciate. Another big plus is the tool-free chain tensioning system, making adjustments super quick and hassle-free. Add to that an automatic oiling system, and you've got yourself a chainsaw that stays in peak condition with minimal effort. But let's talk about the downsides. A common complaint with this model is oil leakage during storage, which can be a bit annoying. Also, the chain may require frequent tightening during extended use, which isn't a deal breaker, but definitely something to keep in mind. So is this the right chainsaw for you? If you're looking for a strong, easy to use and safety focused option, this one is hard to beat. But if you want the absolute best corded electric chainsaw on the market, then you're going to love our number one pick. And here it is, the number one corded electric chainsaw on our list, the Worx. This chainsaw doesn't just offer power, it brings convenience, safety and reliability all in one package. Let's start with the motor. Just like the Black+Decker, this one also boasts a 15 amp engine, so you're getting top tier power for heavy duty tasks. But what really sets this chainsaw apart is the auto tensioning system. Unlike most chainsaws where you have to manually adjust the chain to prevent it from slipping, this one automatically maintains the correct tension, which means less hassle and a longer lasting chain. Another standout feature is the built-in chain brake, which provides an extra layer of safety by stopping the chain immediately in case of kickback. Combine that with an automatic lubrication system and you've got yourself the most well-rounded electric chainsaw on the market. Now, no product is perfect, and there have been a few reports of the chain slipping off during extended use. Additionally, some users have noted occasional issues with the automatic oiler. However, these complaints are relatively minor compared to the huge advantages of this chainsaw. So who's this for? If you want the best balance of power, safety and ease of use, the Worx is the ultimate choice. Whether you're cutting firewood, trimming trees or taking on major backyard projects, this chainsaw will not disappoint. I'll leave links to all these chainsaws in the description below, so check them out and grab the one that fits your needs. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what chainsaw you're using right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.